Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 5 power x equal 81, 3 power y equal 125 and we have to find the value of xy. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I'm solve this 5 power x equal 81. So which I can write it as 5 power x equal 3 power 4. Now if I'll take log on both sides. So log 5 power x equal log 3 power 4. Here I am going to use the identity that is log a power b equal b log a. So it's x log 5 equal 4 log 3. So we have to find the value of x. So to isolate x, I can write this. Now solve the y similarly like this. So here 3 power y equal 125 is 5 power 3. Now log on both sides. So log 3 power y equal log 5 power 3. Again same using the same identity. So it becomes y log 3 equal 3 log 5. So what is the value of y? 3 log 5 by log 3. Now we have to find xy. So x is 4 log 3 by log 5 and y is 3 log 5 by log 3. So we can cancel out this. So what is left? Xy equal 4 times 3. So what is the value of xy? 12. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. And if you have any other approach, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.